In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Square to Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your Acuity scheduling dashboard, you want to go to the left and you want to click on Payments. Inside Payments, you can see there's Square under Payment Processors, and you want to click on Connect. This will take you to Square's website where you basically have to sign in using your credentials. So I'm just going to sign in right now like this. There we go. And then whenever you do this, it's going to basically tell you a few things. I'm going to just continue to Square right now. And there we go. It's going to give you here this message which says this will allow Acuity scheduling too, and then a bunch of different things. If you want to allow this, click on allow over here. It's going to load for a few seconds, and now it's going to take you back to Acuity scheduling, and you'll see, there we go, it now says connected to Square, which means authentication was correct and successful, and now you've successfully connected Square to Acuity. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.